Si Parker, and I would like to say sorry to all of our kababayans in Dubai. Hindi po ako makakarating ngayon kasi nagkaroon po tayo ng konting problema sa ating permit. Anyway, the show must go on. So I'm inviting each and every one of you to please still support our rappers. Na-change lang po yung date. It will be on August 13 at Aurora Lounges Hotel in Deira. Yan po. August 13 po, magkita-kita po kayo dyan ng ating mga rappers na sila Replica versus Bacrain, Static Up versus Trick and Treat, Magic versus Qualay 1, Unico versus Master Don, with the official MC, Mad Mike and Jay Murda, with Denise and Sex Bomb dancers Joanne and Danica, special performance by DXB Group, supported by Scratch Proof DJ Nat 1. Again, at Aurora Lounges Use Hotel in Deira. August 13 po. Maraming salamat.